A lot of people are not going to like what I'm about to say, but I don't care, because if I don't say it, you're going to waste months, maybe even years, chasing after an idea that doesn't even exist anymore. You've probably seen these videos like make $4,500 a week with Pinterest affiliate marketing, or $27,000 a month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. While that all sounds good, it's just not true. Not true anymore. And today I'm gonna break it all down. But why even listen to me? I've been making hundreds of thousands of dollars every year with affiliate marketing for the last 6 years, and I've seen firsthand what happens when platforms change. Pinterest used to be one of the best ways to drive traffic and make money through affiliate marketing. I was pulling in over 100,000 page views per month until one day it all disappeared from Pinterest. So if you started using Pinterest after 2020, you're already at a disadvantage. The platform has not been the same since its big algorithm change at the end of 2019. I recently watched one of the realest, most honest videos about Pinterest affiliate marketing on YouTube from someone who is just getting started following these guru strategy. And listen to how much he's making.
Month of January, I've made $1.69. Last month, I made $4.07.
Yeah, a couple of dollars. That's it. Because he's been following these gurus that talk about using the Amazon affiliate program. Yes, the Amazon affiliate program is something that many people can join, but it also offers one of the lowest affiliate commissions. Can you make money from it? Yes. Is it enough to buy you a carton of eggs? No. This is what people are not telling you. They want you to believe that you can start fresh today, and in just a couple of months, if you keep being consistent, you can make $10,000 a month. But the truth is, what worked then does not work now. Pinterest, from what I've seen, only works if you've had an account since 2018 or earlier, your old pins are still getting traffic, or you're in one of the very few niches that actually thrive on Pinterest, like DIY, recipes, home decor, fashion, which unfortunately these niches have the lowest commission rates when it comes to affiliate marketing. So if you want to do this today to make that kind of money that they're talking about, I would not recommend using Pinterest. Pinterest does not favor newbies. It's not like it used to be. In 2019, when I was getting over 100,000 pages per month, the traffic was a major part of my business, and overnight it just instantly went down to nothing. And I thought, okay, let me fix this. I need to fix this. So I paid a Pinterest expert $500 a month to help me get out of this funk. Nothing. I had my VA focus on it. Still nothing. So then I just took it over in my own hands, and I tested every possible strategy and 0 results. And meanwhile, I'm in paid masterminds right now talking to people who are strictly committed to Pinterest. And guess what? Even they are seeing a massive downturn in their traffic, and they have been in the game for a long time. The problem is Pinterest is just not stable enough to build a business around it for new people. It never was consistent. Even when my pins went viral, they would spike up. It would feel so good, and it could go on for months sometimes. But then those viral pins would crash and burn, leaving me to scramble for trying to get the next viral pin going out. It was so exhausting, and it's just not sustainable. And that's when I realized Pinterest was not going to save me. Okay, well, Whitney, thanks for telling us Pinterest isn't working. What is working? And I'm gonna tell you from experience what is working and what I'm actually doing today that I see people just getting in the game today, and they're even starting to make money. Pinterest has changed their algorithm. Google has changed their algorithm. The one thing that has yet to change their algorithm that has affected other people is YouTube. And I know that is not what you wanna hear, but this is an example of how much I made from one video using affiliate marketing. One video. One video has made me more than I could ever dream of. And like I said, that's one. All I do is find out what are people searching for on YouTube, and I create videos that are answering their questions. That is all SEO is. People have tried to make it so complicated. It's really just that simple. And that's why I know this works. And now before you say anything, let me address what I know is already on your mind. I know you're thinking, I am not trying to be on camera, because I was the exact same way. Like, who wants to be on camera? Not me. But then I met Nate O'Brien, and he really changed the game, because I asked him, how much do you make? He told me in just the month of January that he makes over $30,000 in just ad revenue. And then that was enough for me to say, all right, where's my camera? Because I am not going to allow my fears to hold me back from being able to stay home and raising my kids. And if you're like me and don't think you're good at speaking or knowing how to stay on task, well, welcome to the club. Like, still to this day, I'm like literally reading a teleprompter talking to you guys. I write all my words on a Google Doc, word for word. Like in this video today, I'm going to be talking about, and then I just let the words scroll, and here we are, over 147,000 subscribers later, just because I did it. I eliminated all excuses and just did it. I moved to the platform that would give me the best bang for my buck. And when I say that because I've done videos over 4 years ago and it's still stuck in the search results. For example, if you search for Instacart shopper review tutorial, you're going to find my video at the top of the search results. And what video do you think most people will click on when they search for that? Yes, it's mine because it's the first one they see. Now, this is how I've been able to make money all the time, because I find out what people are searching for and I answer their questions through my videos and I get stuck in the search results. That's how I'm constantly getting people to watch my views, and I'm constantly making money through ads and affiliate marketing. And ask me, have I ever driven for Instacart? And the answer would be no. I've done videos on Instacart, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Shipt, because I saw that people were searching for this stuff, so I did a video on it. And I'm honest, in the video I asked someone who actually worked for these companies everything that you want to know so you can decide if this is right for you. And I went on with the video, and these have gotten hundreds of thousands of views, making me a lot of money. And my audio was horrible in these videos. All I'm saying is to say that I learned that people only care about the information. It is not all about the editing and all that kind of stuff. They just want to know, how can you help them? They're going to watch your video and they're going to go by your suggestions. Anyway, I could go on and on about YouTube affiliate marketing, but that's not the reason you're watching this video. But it is what's working right now. So if you want to learn how to find out what people are searching for and how to get your videos to rank in the search results, I'm going to do a boot camp. So I decided not to do a course that you're never going to finish. I want to do something that you can actually get through, but I'm going to help you out step by step. So if this is something that you guys want to be a part of and learn how I do it so you can do it too, join the waitlist so I can keep you updated on when I do launch that. But I did this video because I didn't want you guys to get caught up in the hype about Pinterest affiliate marketing. Because the truth is, it's just not worth your time. So anyway, I love to see who always sticks around to the end of my video. So if you are still here, I love to hear something good. I need to hear some positivity. Think about last week. Did you have any wins last week? Anything. It could be I was able to finally finish this document that was said that I was gonna do. I don't know. Or it could be the fact that you woke up this morning. I just want to hear some positivity. So if you are still here watching this video, let me know something good that happened to you today or yesterday or the day before. I love to hear some good stuff. And if you guys are looking for how to actually make $100,000 in the next 6 months, this is how I would do it. So watch this video right here. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.